This lesson note is more like a directives to the teacher, not actually a lesson note that a student can take and study and understand. I don't know if you're getting my point.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
I'm saying that this lesson note is more like it's more like it directives to the teacher. It's more like a teacher guide,
Okay.
not direct lesson notes that a student can take and understand. I think we shared samples of generated lesson notes with you guys because yeah, I think I'm saying now why some things are. A minute. Let me look for existing lesson notes that I'm using to work with and share with you guys.
Okay. This is the first lesson note. Oh,
Yeah, just a minute. Let me. This is the first one that you generated, right?
generated, slide generated.
No, no, no. This is the first lesson note that you generated without we generated inside of the system, right?
Yes.
No, there is some. We are supposed to modify something in the lesson generation prompt. We're, we're supposed to make a modification inside of the lesson generation prompt. Just a minute, please. Okay, I'm sharing some subjects for physics subjects. I'm looking for economics, but it's like there's no economics in here. But I'm sharing physics for you guys to open and see the format and better understand. I'm sharing equally accounting for you guys to some accounting lessons for you guys to look at and understand the format.
But in the subject you shared with me, for each subject there is no curriculum and progression report.
Work is still being done on that to give us. No, what I'm sharing with you is what was done manually, not using this system. It was done by teachers who have the hard copy um, curriculums, manual reports, and all. Okay, check the document I just shared with you.
What if it is textbook, curriculum, or progression?
These are lesson notes that have been generated.
Okay. Lesson 15 beginnings. Did you make it manually?
Yeah, this was done manually. Um, Now, why? The thing is, I want you to look at the format and see how a lesson note is supposed to look at. It's not supposed to look like.
Okay, we just we have to give the sample to the system prompt that make lesson note like this. Produce lesson note like this.
Yes.
We just give the sample. Give them sample. Okay. So what next?
Okay. Um, let's go to. So we have talked on. Let's go to workflow one. We have talked on workflow two. No, we have not talked on workflow two. Let's go to workflow two. Okay, what I want us to do after this meeting is all the workflows that maybe you guys are using to try, you archive them so that you leave only the workflow one, two, three, and four. Only the workflows that are relevant there. Let me so that you ease my presentation today.
Okay, now I am just I have to change some things in workflow to the system prompt to produce lesson notes like this that you shared. Okay, this is the main things in workflow 2, and workflow 1 already done. There is nothing to do there. And workflow 3, we have to some works in workflow 3, and there are some works in workflow 4. That is, I have to add some Google Sheet note to save the video and make few images the based on the lesson note. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm getting you. I'm getting you. Let's just go to just open workflow two. Let's and just help me grab it again so that today when I'm talking I should know I'm in line with what we.
This is workflow 2.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, this is the form of workflow 2. We just input the data like subject and class. Okay,
Mhm.
then it will fetch the data from the service node, and it will modification code node progression. First of all, it fetch the progression sheet progression data. Then it will fetch the others data like curriculum data, documents data, curriculum and documents data fetch. It will fetch and this node, and this node will progression data. Okay, so it will search the data embedding systems like when we will get that, when we will put subject and class, then it will embed it the same context. First of all, it will embed the our input data class and subject. Then it will search the similar data of the superbase database, and it will retrieve the chunk like how many chunks. The chunk limit five.
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 Yeah.
If we increase the limit, then it will hallucinate because the every topic is not too large. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's why if you want, I can increase it.
No, no, no. Let's keep it at that value.
Okay, then it will five chunks, and it will proceed it, and then the system prompt will make lesson notes. This is our system prompt. You are an experienced student. This is your experienced class 4 teacher for the subject. Okay, and it
Okay,
will
okay,
still clear and curriculum aligned lessons notes using the inputs provided. That means we have included.
okay. That's fine. Okay, go back. Go back again. Let me see something. Go back. Okay, this. Open the AI agent again.
Okay,
Go to the system prompt. Okay, this is where we have to do a lot of work um, to modify such that it generates the lesson note as it's supposed to be in any of those documents that I just shared with you now.
yeah. Yeah, yeah. Just we modify the lesson notes, and we will give the sample that we shared. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Then.
So if we actually modify the system, so it shows that normally for each subject and for each class, we are supposed to have a different system prompt. You understand now?
Yeah, yeah. This is the dynamic. Okay. Then
Yeah,
this is the
that's
subject.
dynamic.
This is the class.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it will save the drive, the Google Drive. Then for each lesson, it will loop over.
Mhm. Okay, that's fine. Now, this open the G drive,
Hello.
the G drive node. Open the G drive node.
Okay.
Okay, this
Folder.
node. There's a question that was being asked. What if we want to transition into using AWS and we don't want to use Google Drive? So can we work that transition? I said yes, we can work out the transition, but that should come after we have tested, we have built everything and we have tested everything, and we can come and do all any modifications that are required.
Okay. You want to use AWS instead of Google Drive?
Not that I want to. It's a question that I was asked. It's not me. It's a question that was asked.
আচ্ছা
Okay. I have no rich knowledge about this, but I have to research it.
Okay, but for now, let's focus on building this. Then we'll come to that stage. If it's that there's a request for us to transition, or because my own point is that let's increase the subscription, let's upgrade our subscription here in Google and
কথা
stick
বলতে
with what
ইচ্ছা
we're using
করতেছে
Google.
Okay. And there is another point. The Google Drive is 15 GB, but
Yeah,
if
we'll
we
have to increase it to
হ্যাঁ
terabytes.
কথা
okay,
বলতে ইচ্ছে করতেছিল আর কি করবো দিয়ে দিছি
We'll increase it when we have to, when we are going to
একটা
production
টেক্সট দিব
level.
রিপ্লাই আসবে
We'll
ওয়েট
have to
করার
increase it
সময়
to
নাই
terabytes.
okay.
Yeah.
So, is there anything in workflow too?
কথা
No,
বলতে ইচ্ছা করলে কি
workflow two
কথা
is
বলতে হয় না
okay. Go to workflow one.
না, না ঠিক আছে। তারপরে কি বুঝতে হয় কি, এখন আপনার পাশে আপনার ফ্যামিলি থাকতে পারে, আপনার বোন থাকতে পারে, দেখা যাচ্ছে আপনার প্রেমিকা থাকতে পারে। এখন আপনি
Yeah,
ডাইরেক্ট কল
this is the
করছেন।
Google form.
তখন তো তারা তো একটা কল আসলে
Okay,
মুখের দিক তাকিয়ে
the
থাকে,
Google
কে
form
মেসেজ
it will
করছে।
input the data,
ওইটাই তো ইন্টারেস্টিং
then it will save the Google Drive. Next, it will go to
সেজন্য তো
branches. If there is PDF,
বলতে হয়
then this all data will go these branches, and if
তখন
there is
যেকোনো
docs,
মানুষ
it will
করে।
go
আমার যদি
this
আপনাকে
branch.
কল
But
দিই,
I
আপনি যদি
will
বলতেন
suggest to
হ্যাঁ,
always
কখন
use
হবে? যখন আমি
a
মেসেজ
PDF file
রাখছি,
because at
মেসেজটা
times
থাকে
it
তখন
will
আমাকে
get error
একটু কল দেওয়া যায়,
in
কারণ
docs files.
সেটা তো
Okay,
ফোনে আছে।
Okay. So
always use, and this is the OCR node. But I have used my OCR API, but you have to use your own OCR
ঢাকাতে আছি
API when you will
হ্যাঁ, কি বললেন?
I will
আমি
hand over it.
ঢাকাতে আছি
I will use it.
okay,
So OCR
okay,
API.
আপনি
okay.
ঢাকায়
Now
কি
explain this other
থাকেন
node
না
of
দেশে বাড়ি
the
কোথাও?
branch that goes up, the workflow that goes up.
ঢাকাতে ছোট থেকে
Explain it
ঢাকাতে
again.
This branch
তাই।
or
আপনি
this,
কোথায় থাকেন
Yeah, the one up. Yeah, that one.
আমি
yes, it
জামালপুরে
is.
থাকি।
So you use your OCR in the PDF, right?
Okay, this is the PDF OCR.
চিনছেন?
Yeah, this is docs OCR.
আমি বাংলাদেশের
Okay,
সব
so you are
এলাকায়
recommending that
নাম
we should
জানি
use the
বাট যাওয়া
PDF
হয়নি কখনো
OCR.
Yes,
খুবই
yes.
সীমিত পরিমাণে ঘোরা হয়
Okay, now so
এটা
explain
কি
the,
নয়,
the
ঠিক
workflow of
আছে,
the
সব জায়গায়
PDF.
তো আর যাওয়া হয় না, তাই না? কিছু
This is
কিছু
the
জায়গায়
OCR.
হয়, দেখা
First, when
মতো
we
সেই
input
জায়গায়
the
মানুষ যায়।
data docs,
যেমন
it will
কক্সবাজার
extract
আছে,
the
রাঙামাটি
data
আছে, এরকম ছোট ছোট
with the
কিছু জায়গা
OCR.
আছে,
First of all, your
যেখানে
requirements
তখন
is
যায়। আর
extract
দেখলে
data,
দেখাই কিছু
not
না, সেখানে
images.
দেখছিলাম।
But if we use
যে
extract
অনেকে অনেকজনের
Google
টানে যায়
OpenAI
ঘুরে আসে
or
বেড়ায়
other code node, but
হুম,
it did not
ঠিক
embedded
আছে।
extract.
অনেক অনেক
So it did
টানে
not
যায়, সে
extract
কিনা চলে
image
গেছে,
data.
তার আর এখন লাইব্রেরি
And
ঢুকি।
uh,
এটা এখন বিনা হয়।
Google, sorry, OpenAI
আচ্ছা
embedding model is only for text embedding, not image embedding.
এখন আর কেউ
That's
টানে
why
কেউ
we
চলে যায়
use
না, বুঝছেন?
OCR to extract image and text
তারপরে
all
আপনি কি
things.
করেন আপনার
Then it is
সম্পর্কে আমাকে একটু
converted
বলেন
the text, then
হ্যাঁ,
we
বলেন,
embedded
আপনি
and
বলেন,
then we
আমি বলেন, কি
embedded
দেখেন?
it This
আমি
yeah,
খাই
OpenAI
দাই সাগরের ধারে ঘুরে
text
বসে
embedded.
বসে মাথার উপরে বসে
Okay.
বসে
Mistral.
বসে খাই
What about
Yeah,
Mistral?
yeah. Mistral.
সামনের ধারে খাই
This is
বাবা
the
মায়ের
Mistral to extract data.
সামনে
Okay.
And he continues to which route?
One route is this route is progression report.
হাজবেন্ড কোথায় থাকে?
This route is
আমার হাজবেন্ড থাকে
textbook.
Okay.
আমার কাছে এখন না অবশ্য
This
যেখানে
route
চাকরি
is
করি সেখানে
curriculum data. Okay.
কোথায় থাকে?
Okay.
Then this
Okay.
is
So
the
and that's the various tables in the GB. Okay. So
Uh,
all these three nodes here, one is for OpenAI, one is for Mistral, and one is for OCR.
all is for Mistral. This is the all Mistral. And text
আমি তো
and
জানি এটা তো নিউজ
text
বলবো, এই জন্য বলি দিই।
curriculum. Progression report. All is extract with
অনেক কিছু তো
Mr.
বোঝা যায়।
API. Then we embedded it. First of all
এই যে আমি আইডিয়া করছি একটা
data
বললাম,
we
আমার
convert
আইডিয়াটা
it
ঠিক।
text, okay, markdown text. Then we embedded it.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. I think it's very okay now. So we have to. I'll just do my best to do my presentation today in the
তো
meeting
বলেন তাহলে।
and explain how far we've gone and get the feedback and communicate it to you guys.
Definitely, before presentation, when you need, you can communicate with me. I will respond anytime. Today's
Okay.
for your presentation, I am reserved for you.
Okay. Thank you. The next thing that I'll need is that please all the links to the Google Docs, Google Drive, just share them with me so that I will not have to be opening back and forth. Just the link of the Google Docs, Google Drives, and Google
বাসায় কে কে
Sheets,
থাকে?
so that when I'm presenting each, I'm able to present the various links without necessarily
মানে
searching.
বাসাতে কে কে আছে
Oh,
এখন?
okay, I'll share. But
Yeah.
when you present, will you test from scratch? Just I want to say, will you input
বাসাতে
a
এখন
book?
যারা আছে
a-
সবাই
No,
বলুন।
no, no, no. I don't want to test out because I've explained to them that we have been, what I'll show is what the tests we have already done in the economics book that we have generated,
Oh,
and so I just need to present and let them see that this is what we have done. If they want to test now, it will take about an hour or so, which is going to take a lot of time.
okay, okay, yes, yes. So I don't need to remove any things like Google Sheet data.
No, leave the data there. I
Data,
instead need to
super
show them the
data.
data.
দুইটা ছেলে
Oh,
ভালো
I instead need to show them the data.
Okay, but there is I have to remove this data because you say you sent a lesson note, so I have to change the system prompt and newly I have
কথা
to
বলতে কি
generate the
প্রবলেম
lesson
এখন
notes
কেউই তো নাই বাসায়।
Okay, can you do that within 30 minutes?
within
Can,
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
30 minutes.
তাহলে কথা বলতে সমস্যা নেই, বলি দিই।
Sorry.
How long can it take for you to regenerate?
I'll test for 1 hour.
Okay, then let's not do it now. Let's wait after the meeting.
When your meeting will start?
My meeting starts in 1 hour.
No, no, wow. But we did not complete workflow 3, so I am going to
ছেলে
Okay.
মেয়ে তো
Work
বিয়ে
with
করতে
it.
Yeah,
পারবে না,
so
হবে কোথায়?
what I'll say you should do in workflow 3 is go back to it and test, and if there's any feedback, you give me the feedback.
Okay, okay. Now I am giving you feedback. Okay.
Yeah. So, but then all the links to these Google Sheets, the Google
So,
Docs, and the Google Drive, just share the links
and
with me so that
yeah, when you get
করতে
the
তো
Google
হবেই, 12টা
sheet,
বাজবে,
then
করতে
you
হবে।
will get the Google Doc link. Okay. Then if you click here and copy it and
yeah, I
paste
copy it and paste it. Yeah,
paste
it
it, then you
opens.
will get the notes.
Okay, share it with me, please.
Okay.
It's fine. And then, oh, another question. where are the that's in workflow 4? Where are the images being saved and the videos?
যাই
Okay, I did not yet
video
save these images and video. I just produced. Now I will add the Google Sheet node to add this.
সিভিন তো দেখতেছি না
It will
Okay.
save
Can
this.
you instead to show that we have at least gone a reasonable level of completion, instead work on that Google Sheet now, so that I can have that within before my presentation.
Would you repeat again?
Okay, I was saying that, can you work on that Google Sheet, on the Google Sheet for the images and videos?
Okay. This is the sheet one. The same Google Sheet. That's sheet one and sheet two. Okay. Just I
Okay.
will you save it in sheet two, and I will
Okay,
share
so
the link with you.
okay, please do that now, so that I can have at least with this, I'll show everything that we've done, and the objective is that I'll ask for it maybe a few more days, if they can give us a few more days, so that we finalize everything.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll just be talking. So I'll be waiting for this link and confirmation that you have finished the Google Sheet link and please, when you finish the Google Sheet link, do some generations of assets. Let them be in the link.
Okay.
In the
ঠিক আছে
Definitely.
তুমি চিন্তা করো না তুমি যেভাবে বলছো সেভাবে
Okay. Now
Okay.
I am going to fix the workflow 3. Okay.
No, first finish this Google
এমডি
Sheet before you go to Workflow 3.
Sorry.
First, do this Google Sheet of Workflow 4
Okay. Thank you.
before you go to Workflow 3. Because
Okay.
at least let's show that Workflow 4, at least this is the final point of Workflow 4, which is the Google Sheet.
Okay. Now, first, will I manually pasted the link that I generated yesterday? Because if we generate again, it will cost you a pay. That's why the link that I generated yesterday, I will just paste it in Google Sheet.
No, see, no problem. Even if it costs API, there's $10
Okay.
loaded there. There's
Okay.
$10 loaded there, and it's for us to use in testing.
Okay. Thank you.
So use it, generate, please. Don't bother about if there's anything about cost, tell me.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you. Goodbye.
let's continue talking here. Good day.
Shagbai.
Okay, don't worry, Mr. Joseph. We will do it the way you say.
Thank
It's
you.
okay. We're together.
Okay, thank you. Bye. See you soon.